Hello, my friends. I'm so glad you're able to join me here for a slice and a piece of cake. I'm coming to you from the laundry room here in the hotel. The rooms are very dark, and also that's where the common microwave is. It's been a minute since we've done a microwave meal Monday. I just came back from Target and I spotted Dolly Parton meals. I know we don't have this in Canada. These were on sale, 2 for $7. It's $4.29 if you just wanted one. Somebody's laundry cycle is completed, so hopefully not very much noise. This is the Dolly Country Fried Steak, and this is the Dolly Beef Pot Roast. Now, they also had shrimp and grits and chicken and dumplings, but these spoke to me. Excited to get eating on this. This is only a snack for me. This would not fill me. This is the Dolly Parton's Country Fried Steak. It's a fried beef patty and mashed potatoes with country-style gravy and a side of seasoned green beans and smoked bacon. It's 12 ounces, 340 grams. My favorite meals, like the best songs, have more than one note. It's why I love my country fried steak with fluffy, buttery mashed potatoes and seasoned green beans with smoky bacon, topped with creamy gravy that's made from scratch. It's a melody of taste and textures in every bite, and I can't stop singing along. Dolly. You can cook it in the microwave or the conventional oven. Well, I'm at the hotel, so it'll be the microwave. Cooking instructions: cook on high for 4 minutes. That's what it looks like after 4 minutes. So we need to rotate the steak and stir potatoes, recover, cook an additional 2.5 to 3.5 minutes. Okay, it says stir the potatoes. Okay, yeah, they're still frozen. Can you hear the ice? Got to stir that and cook for another 4 minutes, I guess. So those are the green beans with bacon right there. Check that food is cooked thoroughly, handle carefully. It's hot. Let's stand 2 minutes and enjoy. The Dolly Parton's Country Fried Steak is ready. I actually cooked it a bit longer because the potatoes were actually still frozen. I did stir it and I cooked it for, it said 2.5 to 3.5, but I cooked it for 5 minutes. Let's get eating. Well, it doesn't exactly look like that, but here we go. So that's the gravy for the steak. And this is the potatoes. This is the green beans. You see a bit of bacon there. All right, let me take a closer look. That's the country fried steak right there. The beef pot roast is cooking right now in the microwave. So let's get eating on this country fried steak. For some reason, I thought it was like a chicken steak. We stir up the beans. Okay, so you do see a lot of bacon in there. Bacon. Wanna bite? Bon appetit. You do taste the bacon. It's not some like imitation bacon bits. This is the mashed potatoes. Fluffy, buttery mashed potatoes. Bon appetit. There's like a bit of pepper in there. It's pretty good. I'm impressed. Well, it could be that I am starving. What time is it? It's 8:30, my friend. I did go and find the 99 Ranch here in Portland. I was kind of disappointed. They don't have a hot food section. Hence the reason why I had to run back to Target to get a salad and some frozen meals. They had Michelinas at Dollar Tree for $1.25, but the lineup was so long, like forget it, I'm just running to Target. So that's the country fried steak. Oh, my beef pot roast is ready, but I'm gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. I'll let it rest for a minute. But that's the gravy there. Maybe I overcooked it. That's why the gravy looks like that. But here goes, bon appetit. I'm really impressed with this country fried steak.
These are the nutrition facts. The serving size is 1 container, which is 340 grams, 500 calories, 30 grams of fat, 1,200 milligrams of sodium, and only 4 grams of sugar.
30 grams of fat. It's quite high in fat. I guess I should use a knife, but I'm just breaking it up with my spoon. I'm impressed with this Dolly Parton frozen meal. Wow, it's pretty darn good. Wanted the shrimp and grits too, but maybe next time. This is really, I'm impressed with this. It tastes really good. Potatoes are delicious. The beans were delicious with the bacon. That's the Dolly Parton country fried steak. Look for that in the frozen aisle. I found this at Target. Yum, 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 yum. Now I do have her cake mix. I just haven't made it yet. But there you go. Dolly has a line of food, cake mixes. This, delish. I can't wait to try the beef pot roast.
Somebody just came to get their laundry and they're probably thinking, what is she doing? This is the Dolly Parton's beef pot roast. Tender beef with vegetables in a southern style gravy. This has 18 grams of protein. This is 11 ounces, 312 grams. That looks delicious. I'm starving. Growing up, beef pot roast was a Parton family favorite. It's a classic that can feed a lot of mouths and make them all smile. I roast mine low and slow until it's fork tender in gravy made from scratch. Using plenty of butter, it always fills the house with the most delicious aroma and my heart with the warmest memories. Dolly. These are the nutrition facts. Per 1 container, 312 grams is 290 calories. This one has only 11 grams of fat, only 830 milligrams of sodium, and 6 grams of sugars. We're gonna cook on high for 5 minutes. Stir, recover, and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Doesn't that look yummy? I'm starving. Let's take a closer look at this beef pot roast frozen meal from Dolly Parton. That's what we're looking at in the frozen state. Oof, that gravy looks so good. I'm so hungry, my friend.
Let's get eating on the beef pot roast from Dolly Parton.
Does it look like that? Here's the big reveal. Ooh, it's hot. I probably overcooked it because I'm not used to this microwave. But there we go. Okay, lots of carrots. Let's give this a stir. Okay, you see chunks of beef. Unlike the Australian pie where you didn't see very much beef at all, but there's carrots, the beef pieces, Southern style gravy. I don't know what that is, but there's some potatoes right there. I can tell you it smells amazing. Look at that. Ooh, let's get eating. Ooh, look at that rich gravy.
Definitely gourmet frozen meal from Dolly Parton. It is actually better than the Swanson's. Is it still Swanson's? The Hungry Man meal? This smells so good, my friend. Ooh, it's hot. Let me give this a nice stir. Like, look how much meat you're getting. I got no meat in that Australian meat pie. Like, look at these chunks of meat. Beef. I mean, it might be tough because I probably over nuked it, but let me have a taste of the gravy. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like there's wine in there too. Here goes. Let me just have a taste of the gravy. Ooh, delicious. Wow. I'm impressed. Okay, there's the potato. Potato and carrots. That's delicious. Wow. It tastes homemade, my friend. I'm not kidding. This beef pot roast, it's a green light. Again, this is just a snack for me, my friend. That is good. Absolutely delicious. Yep, Chardonnay wine. Yep, there's Chardonnay wine in here. I tasted the wine. I can't see. Carrots, onions, celery. What else is there? It just says carrots, onions, and celery. There's potatoes here too. Oh, wow. This is one of the best frozen meals I've had in a long time. Full of flavor. Can taste the wine, you can smell it. Most importantly, you can see the beef. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely delicious. Yum and yum. Absolutely green light, recommend. Dolly, this is absolutely delicious. It's like I was invited to your home for a Sunday meal. My friends, thank you so much for joining me here for a slice and a piece of cake on this microwave meal Monday. I hope you have an amazing week ahead. As always, my friend, take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. Make sure you come back and join me here for another slice and a piece of cake. I still have the country steak. I'm gonna bring that back to my room. I am gonna savor this in the room. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. I don't think I've had a frozen meal this delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.